One of the questions we get from time to time goes something like this: is there a small estate affidavit administration process or some type of simplified probate process in Georgia? Hi, I'm attorney Joel Beck with Peach State Wills and Trust in Lawrenceville, Georgia, and I'll answer that question in today's video. So many states across the country have in place a simplified probate process where if a decedent's estate is less than a certain dollar amount or meets certain criteria, a simplified process can be used to settle his or her estate. And so we get questions from time to time from people about Georgia probate processes. Does Georgia have a small estate affidavit or a simplified probate process? Well, the answer is no, not really. But we do have two special processes that apply in some situations. The first one is a small bank account process, where if the only asset of the decedent who died without a will is money in the bank with a value of less than $15,000, the bank can, upon receipt of an affidavit, pay out those funds to the person's surviving spouse, and if none, to the person's surviving children, and if none, then to a mother and father, and if none, then to the person's siblings. But if there are assets other than money in a bank account, or if the funds exceed $15,000, this procedure is not going to be able to fully address the estate, and a regular administration or probate of the estate would be necessary. The other situation where a probate or an administration may not be needed is a situation called a petition for no administration necessary. Here, the decedent died intestate, meaning he or she did not have a will, no executor or personal representative has been appointed, and the heirs have all agreed upon the division of the estate, what's going to go where and how. For this process, there needs to be no debts owed, or if there are, the creditors involved have all consented to the petition and to the plan for distribution of assets. If the petition for an order that no administration is necessary is granted and a no administration is ordered, creditors who might come up later and pursue a claim can go after the property or after the value of the property that was distributed to the heirs. And for that reason, a lot of times a no administration order might not be pursued, and instead a regular probate process might be pursued instead. Now, if you have questions about the probate process in Georgia or need help settling an estate, we invite you to reach out to us. Give us a call at 678-344-5342 or visit us online and find more information and free resources at peachstatewills.com. Thanks.